Good day everyone, I am Jasperella from BTBT 3L FSMB, and today we will explore the different roasting levels and coffee grind types. So let's begin. There are four main roasting levels: light, medium, medium dark, and dark. Each one brings out different flavors. First, we have light roast. These beans are light brown, dry, and not oily. They have a toasted grain taste, a high level of acidity, and the most caffeine. Common names include cinnamon roast and New England roast. Trivia about this is light roast coffee retains the most antioxidants compared to darker roast. Next is we have medium roast. These beans are darker than light roast but still dry. They have a balanced flavor, less acidity, and slightly less caffeine. Popular names include American roast and breakfast roast. Trivia about this is that medium roast is the most popular roast in the United States. Now, let's move to medium dark roast. These beans start showing some oil, have a richer taste, and a spicy aroma. They are less acidic and less caffeinated. Examples include Full City roast and Vienna roast. Trivia about this is that the darker the roast, the oilier the beans. So let's now proceed to dark roast beans. So these beans are dark brown to almost black, very shiny and have a smoky, sometimes bitter taste. They have the least caffeine but the most intense flavor. Famous names include French roast, Italian roast, and espresso roast. Trivia about this is that despite popular belief, dark roast has less caffeine than lighter roast. Now that we know about roasting, let's talk about coffee grind sizes. Extra coarse grind looks like a small pebbles and is ideal for cold brew coffee. It allows for a slow extraction, giving a smooth and mild taste. Coarse grind has the texture of sea salt and is perfect for French press brewing. The larger grind size prevents over-extraction, resulting in bold and rich flavor. Medium coarse grind is slightly finer than coarse grind and works well for chemists and cafe solo brewer. It allows for a clean and balanced cup of coffee. Fine grind is similar to table salt and is used for espresso and mocha pots. The finer grind helps extract bold flavors quickly under pressure. Extra fine grind has a powdery texture and is used for Turkish coffee. Since it brews unfiltered, it produces an intense and full-bodied experience. So that's it. Thank you for watching my presentation. Until next time.